Alright folks, here we are back at the Mud Duck Hut. So this radio here has already been peak tuned and aligned. The radio is 200, the peak tune line is 50, and the wrap is 40, so that's 290 with the blue LEDs. Just the regular Galaxy without the tune-up or the wrap is 200. The Connex is 280. The 29 is 145. And the Road King hiding back there is 100. We still got our camera on sale for $199. We got a SWR meter so you can check your SWRs on the fly. We got our external speakers. Oh, our meter's $26. Our external speakers are $35 and $25. And we got the Mopar one there for $25. Our radio wraps are $40 installed. We still got one of my son's paintings up there. Someone bought that one. That was cool. That's $25. And these two are $40 your best offer. And our microphones here. The black one with the cord is $50. The American flag is $55. Road Devil's $50. And the D104 is $50. Thank you all for watching. Please subscribe to the YouTube page and like it and share it. Thank you all. God bless.